Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Sequences and Series Exercise 9.2 question number 10. Let's see the question. If the sum of first P terms of an AP is equal to the sum of first Q terms, they have given the sum of P terms, that is SP. Sum of N terms we used to write Sn. Here it is P terms, so SP is equal to sum of first Q terms is SQ. Then find the first sum of first P plus Q term. We need to find this. Here we'll start with the given. We'll substitute the formula. We know Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here substitute the value over here. It is P by 2 into 2a plus P minus 1 into d. Because instead of n we have P here. Here also Q. So Q by 2 into 2a plus Q minus 1 into d. Just multiply this inside. Now it becomes P by 2 into 2a plus PD minus d is equal to Q by 2 into 2a plus QD minus d. Here 2 gets cancelled. If I multiply this inside, P inside, same way I am going to multiply Q inside, it becomes 2AP plus P square D minus PD is equal to 2AQ plus Q square D minus QD. I am going to bring everything to one side, so it becomes 2AP minus 2AQ. All the like terms together I am writing here, P square D minus Q square D minus PD plus QD equal to 0. Now taking 2A common here, 2A, here it becomes P minus Q. Taking D common, here it becomes P square minus Q square. I want PQ, the same way I am taking minus D outside to write this to be P minus Q. If I take minus D outside, there will be P plus P here. Same way minus into minus will become plus, so plus Q, minus Q. Now this can be written as P minus Q plus D. Here this can be written as, it is in the formula of A square minus B square. So A plus B into A minus B minus D P minus Q. As P minus Q is common to all, I am dividing this by P minus Q. So this becomes 2A because P minus Q get cancelled. So 2A plus D into P plus Q minus D is equal to 0. We know that 2A plus D into P minus Q minus D is equal to 0. I am taking minus D common here. So 2A plus, taking D common outside, it becomes P plus Q minus 1 is equal to 0. Let it be there. We can't solve it further. Let the equation 1 be there. We want to find this SP plus Q. Let's substitute the formula for Sn formula here. Yes, n instead of n we have P plus Q by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1. N minus 1 here is P plus Q minus 1 into D. We know that this is equal to 0. Here D is here. Instead of here we can also write it here because it is in multiply 2 into 3, 3 into 2, everything the same. So D can be at the back side. See, 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 0. So we can substitute the value here. Instead of this we can write 0. So P plus Q by 2 into 0 from 1. Because we are substituting the value of this from 1. We know therefore PS of P plus Q is equal to 0. 0 into anything will be 0. So the value of this sum of the first P plus Q term is 0. That's all with the sum. Thank you.